Hello everyone, welcome to our Mandarin Classroom. 大家好，欢迎大家来到中文教室。I'm your teacher Jasmine Chang. Today we're going to learn the fifth lesson of Basic Oral Mandarin. So firstly, let's see today's learning objectives. First one, we will do the homework check for the last class. And the second and third, we are going to learn the questions, including common questions and special question. And at the last, it's as usual, I will leave the homework to you to practice. So let's go to the first part. Let's check the homework for dictation for 5 times. So first one, it's 9:13. So it's 9:13. Second is 9:03. So it's 3 minutes to 9. So it's 8:57. Third is 10:01. So it's a quarter to 10. So it's 9:45. And the next 8:30. It's 8:30. And then the last is 2:36. It's 2:36. Because after the 2, here's the end, it's the unit, so you have to use 2. Yes, it's not 2, okay. So it will be 2:36. So then let's move to our new content to make a common question. So first one, there's a question for you. What is a common question? The common question is that the answer is yes or no. It's like in English, are you a student? The answer is yes, I am a student, or no, I'm not a student. Or do you go to school today? The answer is yes, I do. I go to school today. Or no, I don't. It's very difficult to learn English in that part, because you have to change the order and use do or, don't, that kind of word. But in Chinese, it's very easy. You only need ma, as the screen shows here, in the end of the sentence, and change the subject based on the different situation. Let's see the first example. 我是学生. I am student. I am student. So if you want to change to the question, a common question, so it will be, are you a student? So you only need add ma in the end of the sentence, and for this situation, you have to change I to you. You in Chinese is 你. So the question will be, 你是学生吗? Is it easy? It's for the first situation. And second here, 他明天去图书馆. She will go to library tomorrow. If we want to change it into a common question, it will be, will she go to the library tomorrow? In Chinese, it will be, 他明天去图书馆吗? Only need add ma in the end of the sentence. For this situation, you don't need to change she to the other, like a personal words. It's just the she here. You don't need to change. Okay, so that's the common question. Is it very easy? Right? You only needed to add ma in the end of the sentence based on the statement, and according to the situation, to decide if you need to change the subject. Then let's move to how to make special questions. Here is the special question form, what I gave to you for the last class. And we have to use the special question words to make the special questions. So here they are. How could we make a special question word? It's just you only need to use the special question word to instead of the part you want to make a question. What does it mean? So here the first sentence, actually they're the same, okay? We just need to ask the different part, to make a special question. The first sentence, 他明天在咖啡馆喝咖啡. She will be at cafe to drink coffee. Oh, okay, so here the translation are just based on the Chinese. Okay, never mind. Here we want make a special question about she. Okay, so here we have to use the question word is who, right? Who will be at the cafe to drink coffee tomorrow? Who? What's the special question in Chinese to say who? It's 谁. Okay, so you only need 谁 to instead of this part, and the other part won't change. So the sentence it will be 谁明天在咖啡馆喝咖啡? Question mark. Okay, that's the end. And that's it. Second, it's the same sentence, but here I want to make a question for the time. 明天. Okay. We only need to use the question's word is when. What is when? This question word for the in Chinese? It's 什么时候, right? So you only need to change 明天 into 什么时候 to ask a question. So the sentence will be 他什么时候在咖啡馆喝咖啡? Okay, that's the next sentence. We want to make a question for the place. The place we have to use where. Okay, what's the special question word in Chinese to express where? 他明天在哪里 or 哪儿喝咖啡? Okay, you could choose one of them based on your like. And the last here, 喝咖啡, 喝 what, right? It's what. 咖啡 here, we use a special question word is what. What is for the Chinese special question word for this sentence? It's 什么, so the sentence will be 他明天在咖啡馆喝什么? Okay, that's all of the new content for today's class to make questions, including like the common questions and special question. Is it easy? Right. You don't need to change the order or change the other words or use, learn a very complex, very complicated that grammar. So that's the Chinese grammar. Okay. So here the homework for you. There are 4 sentences, 2 for the common question and 2 for the special question with the underline part. We will check it at the next class. So today's class is over. If you want to continue learning, you can click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We will update the series of Mandarin courses regularly every week. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment area. If you like it, please give us a like and recommend us to your friends. Thank you and see you next time. 我们下节课再见。